Dr. Isaac Comfortis is on a mission to improve his patients' systemic health by improving their oral health. As bacteria in your mouth enter your bloodstream, they are carried to the organs of your body where they increase your risk of many systemic diseases. DNA testing of your saliva is used to assess your risk and more effectively treat chronic gum disease.
Periodontal health. How important is that? It's extremely important. The studies just keep piling up of how important what happens in the mouth happens in the rest of the body. More and more evidence is showing us that if we don't have a healthy situation here, this may contribute to creating disease in the rest of the body. So our goal with our patients is to have zero bleeding when we go in and examine their mouths, and we use our little ruler to check how the tissue is looking, checking the depth around the gums. We do not want to see any bleeding. If we see that, we know we have top health. We know that this cannot contribute to disease in the rest of the body. So it's number one for me now.
Dr. Comfortis was one of the first dentists to partner with Oral DNA Labs to offer Salivary Diagnostics, and he is passionate about its benefits for patients with gum disease.
2 years ago, I didn't have this test. I didn't have the ability to test a person's saliva. Why is that important for me? Why is it important? Number one, it's going to tell us the bacteria level of activity in one's mouth. There's no way to know that by looking. A, it tells us which bacteria, if any bacteria, are out of control, meaning our immune system is not keeping these bugs at bay. Once I know which bacteria are out of control, I can treat that bacteria with a limited time of antibiotic therapy. In conjunction with gum therapy, we can get someone healthy.
Based on your test results, Dr. Isaac Comfortis can do more than treat you to eliminate the inflammatory bacteria in your mouth. He also can refer you to medical specialists to make sure you are receiving the care you need for heart health and more.
I have a medical doctor that I work with right now who understands the oral systemic connection. Also, that person is a cardiologist. And thank God I have somebody that I can refer to. And I see certain patients where I have done the bacterial testing and I see that their bacteria that is out of control is one that could put that person at higher risk for cardiac issues. I have this individual that now I can say to my patient, do you have a cardiologist? And if they say no, I say, this is what I'm seeing right now. I really recommend that you see this individual. And we've been able to, very recently in fact, help couple of patients that were on the brink of having some major medical issues. So it's vital to have this team around me. I have a nutritionist also that we refer to. That's a big part of being healthy. So, and I'm constantly making my circle bigger, trying to get more people, more specialists. One of my personal goals is to gain more exposure to the medical community and work in team with them to help all our patients live longer, be happier. That's my mission.
If you are interested in oral DNA testing and oral health care that will contribute to your whole health and longevity, give us a call today.